everybody, so it's Miss Brooke from Peanut. So even though we can't be in the classroom with you, we're going to make some videos to share some healthy snacks and ways that we can stay healthy right now. So today I'm going to feature a healthy snack, which are banana butterflies. So this is what they're going to look like. So we're going to make some cute little butterflies out of fruits and pretzels, and then you can either use chocolate chips or raisins. So I'm going to share the recipe with you and we're going to figure out how to make them. But first thing we're going to do is wash our hands, because that's really important right now. So come with me. So this is the recipe that we're going to make today. So it's called banana butterflies. Our ingredients are 1 banana, 6 pretzels, 6 raisins or chocolate chips, and 6 small apple slices. So we just washed our hands, so now we're ready to make some fruity butterflies. And this recipe is coming from us from the Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities Cookbook. So let's figure out how to make these. Okay, so we have our banana here. We are gonna have to cut this, so if you need help from an adult using the knife, then make sure that you ask. If not, we're just gonna be really careful, keeping our fingers out of the way. We're gonna cut our banana into 3 pieces. So that's 1, 2, and 3, so thirds. So we're gonna take 1 piece of the banana and peel it. So let's get the peel off. Get some of the strings off. So we have our banana. The next thing we're gonna do is cut our apple. So you can use either a red apple or a green apple, whichever one you have at home or whichever one's your favorite. And we're just gonna wanna cut a piece of it off. So remember, keep your fingers out of the way. Be super careful. Okay, so we have 1 part of our apple. So we just need thin little pieces. The apples are actually gonna be like the little antennas that stick out of the butterfly's head. So we just need kind of small little pieces. So you're probably gonna have a lot of apple left, so you can put it in a smoothie, you can put it on a salad, you can just eat it with like some nut or seed butter. So all we need are 2 little pieces of our apple. Those are gonna go in the top of the banana because they're like for the top of the head of the butterfly. So let's cut our little apple pieces. So this is a little tricky, but if you just wanna be careful and kind of stick it in the top like this, you don't have to push too hard, but they'll stick in there. They might be a little different sizes, and that's okay because every butterfly is different. So the next thing you need are the pretzels. So I've got like little mini pretzel twists here because that's what I have at home. If you've got pretzel sticks or bigger ones, that's okay too. So we're gonna stick this flat side in there so that these are the wings of the butterfly. So I think we're gonna put 2 in there because these ones are kind of little. So that's 1 side of our butterfly. And now we need 2 more. So this will make more than 1 butterfly pretzel, so you can share it with somebody. So this is a really good healthy snack you can make with lots of different food groups. Okay, so I think we've got our wings on our butterfly. The next thing you need are the eyes. So this is what you can either use chocolate chips for, but you're only using 2, so it's okay. Or you could use raisins, or if you have like raisins or even like sunflower seeds, anything that kind of looks like a little eyeball. So we're gonna go ahead and like stick these on the front. There's 1, and then we need 2. Okay, so there we made a banana butterfly. So you can enjoy this recipe and share it with somebody at your house. So it could be a healthy snack or a healthy breakfast too. Bye you guys, we'll see you next time.